Node access groups allow you to create specific access to certain nodes or stores. You can assign one or multiple nodes to each group. To access the Node Access Group feature, simply navigate to the Organizations section, then the Permissions section. Select Node Access Groups from the available features under the drop-down menu. The displayed screen will show you all the current node access groups available on the left-hand side and all the available nodes on the right. Need to see which roles are currently linked to specific access groups? To view the roles associated with a specific node access group, click the cog icon next to the group name. Need to add a new node access group? To create a new node access group, simply select the plus icon at the top of the list. Give your new group a name, activate or deactivate it, and add an optional description. Next, select the nodes you want to include in this group. By default, all nodes are pre-selected. Once you've made your selections, click the tick icon to save the group next to the group name.